In this video, I'm going to show you how to code in Dedoose. Now first, to be able to code, you want to go to codes up top and you want to create your codes for your media. Now I do have this demo project open over here, so there's a bunch of codes already. Now you don't have to pay too much attention to this, it's just a demo. So I'm going to hop directly into media. Just make sure whenever you're starting out, you actually add your codes because it's going to be much easier whenever you actually start coding. So there's a few ways to do this, and some of them are slower, some of them quicker. We're going to go through all of them. So let me just double click on this first one I have, this first document. As you can see, there's some codes in here already. It's partially coded. You can just ignore this. And we're going to go down here to the bottom of this demo project. So over here on the right, you can see you have your codes. If you don't have any, or if you want to add new ones, you can always click on the plus button to add the root codes. And it's going to allow you to create a code right here and there. So we can go and type in the title, description, set your custom color, and then you can enable weighting if you want to. For example, if you want to give it like from 1 to 5 or something like that. So I'm just going to leave it like that. That's going to be sufficient, but just know you're not limited. You can do this whenever you want and add new codes in case they are needed. Then you can go to your text, and the first way is to highlight your text. So like this, for example, and that's going to be the longest way. You want to go and click on down here at the bottom right to create an excerpt from selection. So click on this and it's going to give you selection info, and this is going to get a color over here. Now whenever you hover over it or click on it, it's going to show you exactly what's going on with this portion of your text. Then the first way to add codes is by going down here, selecting your code, and you can go ahead and just basically double click on it, and it's going to get added up here inside here, and this is now coded with this specific code called reading by others. Now it doesn't really make any sense here, but you get the point. That's how we can do it. The second way is, of course, you don't have to double click. You can just drag and drop it up here. That's also possible. Does pretty much the same thing, but yeah, that's how we can do it as well. And then let's go to more quick ways. Now we're gonna just select this part over here like this, and then one of the ways to do this whenever you select a portion of your text is to just right click, and then you can click on add code or codes. When you do this, it's going to create this automatically, and you can see this quick code widget over here where you can again select the code, and then you can just double click it and it's going to get added in here. Or again, you could go ahead and add multiple if you want to. So you could also search by code. So if, for example, I type in letter, there you go, as you can see it found it. I can double click and it's going to get added on here. That's the second way. And now the quickest way, and usually the most convenient one, whenever you select a portion of text, for example, something like this over here, you can just press spacebar on your keyboard and it's gonna pop up this widget again. You can double click and you can add the code that way. So very quickly, spacebar, again, add it, there we go. As you can see, coding that way is much quicker. You just simply press the spacebar and then double click on the code you want to add, and that specific part is gonna get coded. So that's how to code in Dedoose. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.